So integral minus pi to plus pi, 2x of 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos square x, let us consider to be I. So we can write I is equal to minus pi to plus pi, 2x upon 1 plus cos square x dx separated, and again minus pi to plus pi, 2x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x. So in this, the first part in the integral, 2x upon 1 plus cos square x is an odd function, since if I consider f of minus x, replacing in place of x as minus x, you will be getting minus of f of x. And the second function, so if I substitute x is equal to minus x, so we can get here g of minus x is equal to g of x, you will be getting, because minus x into sine of minus x will become positive, so it is even function we can consider. And we had a property that integral 0 to a or minus integral minus a to plus a f of x dx, which is equal to 2 times integral 0 to a f of x when f is even function. When f is even function, we had 2 times integral 0 to f of x dx, and 0 when f is an odd function. So here we can write this as I is equal to 0, the first part, and the next part we can write 2 times integral 0 to pi 2x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx, or we can write this as I is equal to 4 times of integral 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. So let us consider to be in equation 1, and now let us solve this. And again, by using the property integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So we can write the integral I is equal to 4 times 0 to pi, so we can write this is pi minus x into sine of pi minus x upon 1 plus cos square x dx, so which equals to 4 times, let me write separately, 4 pi, 4 times of integral pi times of sine of integral 0 to pi sin x upon 1 plus cos square x, because sin pi minus x is sin x, and again minus integral 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx, so which equals to 4 pi times integral 0 to pi sin x upon 1 plus cos square x, and minus 4 times integral 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x. So from the first equation we can just consider that 0 to pi, 4 times 0 to pi sin x upon 1 plus cos square x is nothing but I. So we can write this as I is equal to 4 pi integral 0 to pi sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx minus I, or we can write this is 2i is equal to 4 pi, and let us substitute here, put cos x is equal to t, put cos x is equal to t, on differentiating we'll be getting minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Also when x is equal to 0, t is equal to cos 0, that is 1, and when x is equal to pi, when x is equal to pi, here we can write t is equal to cos pi is minus 1. So we can change the limits also, and we can write it as integral 0 to pi can be written as 1 to minus 1 sin x dx, that is minus dt upon 1 plus t square, or we can also write this as I is equal to 4 pi upon 2 and minus of minus, if I change the limits here, instead of 1 to minus 1, if I take minus 1 to plus 1, so we can add 1 upon 1 plus t square dt. So using the integration, 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x, so we can add 4 pi upon 2 into tan inverse of t over the limits minus 1 to plus 1. So this is here 2 times, so we can add this is 2 pi of tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of minus 1. So we can add I is equal to 2 pi of tan inverse of 1 is tan inverse of tan pi by 4, that is pi by 4 we can add. So tan inverse of 1 is equal to tan inverse of tan pi by 4 we can use, so which is equal to pi by 4, and tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 4. So let me substitute here, this is pi by 4, so minus of minus pi by 4. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2, so 2 times I 2 pi times of pi by 2 we can write. So this is nothing but 2 to get cancelled, pi square. So our integral answer is pi square. Okay, thank you.